Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. A very happy and exciting day today. Today you're getting a bonus video because I'm gonna put this up because I just can't wait. And anyways, so this came, I ordered it. I told you last week I ordered it. It came while I was walking on the treadmill. The UPS guy brought it up and I was like jumping up and down trying to keep up with the treadmill. Anyways, we're gonna do a quick look with this guy. If you are new here, I wanna say hi, hello, thank you for spending part of your day with me. I'm super excited, always highly caffeinated. I'm actually out of coffee, forgot my tea. But anyways, I ordered this. I cannot wait to play with this. I am gonna do like 4 looks, I don't know. I'm gonna do more looks. I'm also gonna see if I can dupe it within my collection. I don't think I can, but I have seen a couple people put videos up and I really wanna watch them. Anyways, if there is a look you'd like me to recreate, let me know. My hair really wants to flip all the way over, but I want to do the side part today because I'm trying to train this side of my hair to stay curled. Anyways, it does not. I am a neutral lover. I love neutrals, but I'm gonna be very honest. Oh, these teal shades totally sucked me in. You guys, it is pretty. I didn't realize how cool toned it was. This is pretty cool toned. This is pretty cool toned. I mean, this is kind of, I don't know. I mean, in pan, it looks a little cool toned. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmer shades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 matte shades. In case you are curious, it comes with a mirror and their brushes, which are actually pretty decent. So I do like them. I am so excited. Anyways, so first impressions. I'm gonna throw some makeup on and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store because it is Harris Teeter Day and I'm out of my favorite fruit. Let me know down in the comments. Pause. What is your favorite fruit? Let me know down in the comments. My latest favorite fruit, I buy 2 of them because there's 6 of us. What are they called? A pomelo. It's a giant, like, I mean, it's almost as big as my head. It's a citrus fruit, but it's like sour, but it's really, really sweet. I don't know. We eat it for breakfast almost every day. Anyways, okay. So eye primer. Have you zoomed in? Definitely let me know, favorite fruits down in the comments, just because this video is going to be really, really fast. All my face makeup and everything I am using will be in the description box, but I am just working through this. Put it in the bag. Anyways, did you grab this? Were you tempted? There was mixed reviews on it. When it was sneaked on Trend Mood's site, like everybody was like, nobody's asking for this, and I was like, but I am. Oh, I love neutrals. Do I need any more neutrals? I don't need a single neutral shade ever again, but I keep buying them because neutrals make me happy. Makeup makes me happy. And this palette, I wanted it. I wanted it really bad. Okay, and lately I've been doing like my lid shade first. I wasn't going to swatch all these, but I don't know what I'm doing. Do I want bronzy or gold? Been so in love with gold. I'm gonna touch them both. Oh, I love that. I want the teal on too. These 2 or these 2. Ooh, oh, the pasta, but I want them all. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Okay, so with my finger, I do love the size of the mirror. Like I do. I'm gonna start just right there, as careful as I can. If you have a problem with like doing that, but like it transferring, if you open your eye really wide, it doesn't transfer as easily. Wait, okay, and then we were doing this one. I am completely broken out on my chin and I don't know why, but it's making me angry. And then I'm gonna take that copper shade and like that. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, I will blend it together. Give me a second. Okay, so the gold shade was Hold'em right here. Do that on that side. Keep your eye open. Don't transfer on the bottom. Good job, me. Okay, and then I went in with Bud, which was the beautiful blue shade. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm probably gonna say that like the whole time. Anyways, and then Rustler was this coppery shade. I know, it looks very color blocked right now. I will blend them. Oh, I touched the rest of my eye. That was fantastic. Oops. Okay, I am going to take their brush that they do have, ooh, and go back into just lightly to that gold and blend. Just pressing in there just to pick up just a smidgen. Blend together. Oh, I really, really like this. Yes, I have a spot on my hand. We'll get there. Color switching. And then just same thing. I'm going to dip into the Bud shade. And then blend it with that other shade. I love this look already. Okay, so let's do something in the crease. Do I want, I think I want to keep, almost lost the bronzy on the outside, so I think I want to bring in the bronzy again. So I'm going to dip, whoop, I'm going to dip into Ghost Hound. I said it and then I didn't. I have been doing my eyeshadows sometimes opposite, like doing the shimmer shade and then doing the matte and the crease, because it then kind of brings in some of the shimmer foil, whatever. So anyways, so this much. I always tap off on the any excess just in case. So I did not powder my face, and I'm just tapping, swirling, smudging. Oh, it's so pretty. I didn't. Did I see swatches? I think there was swatches on the Trendmood site. I don't like color, but this is so pretty. I'm so happy right now. So far, the pigment is really, really good. I only have, I'll be very honest, I only have 2 of Urban Decay's palettes, but I really do like them. Their shipping was really, really nice too. Oh, that shade is so pretty. I feel like it really brought that bronzy shade back. Oh, and it's blending so beautifully. Just quick impressions. That's all I'm going to do. Actually, I think, no, I'm going to keep with that Ghost Hound and just like rate, hopefully I'm in focus. I'm going to, on the very, very outside, bring that copper back and then use Rustler. That was that shade. And then with my finger. Perfect. Do the same. Tap, tap, tap. And then I go over. Oh, that is so good. Oh, I love it. I love this. I love this. I'm gonna grab one of my own brushes for the next bit. I'm gonna take a really, really detailed brush. What do we want? I think I'm gonna take Spur right here, just because it's not your traditional liner. I don't know. We're gonna see what it does right here. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I'm gonna kind of blend it up into that crease shade. Oh, this is so exciting. I was just thinking with this brown shade that I did in my crease, if I do have it in my collection, I have not reached for it in quite some time. I love that. It's almost like I don't know how to describe it. I like it. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird, and I kind of like it. Anyways, I'm going to grab a pencil brush, just seen it right here. And are we going to go, do we want that blue? No, I'm obsessed with this shade. I'm going to take Ghost Hound and right underneath, really, really close to my lash line. So I'm just like pretty much the tip of my brush because I don't want it everywhere. But I am going to fluff it right in the lash line. I'm so excited. I am I'm bouncing in my chair. I mean, it's squeaking, so I'm so excited. How beautiful, how beautiful. I am gonna go back with this, and I'm gonna grab that Spur shade, this right here. It's like a peachy, it's a beautiful peachy color, and just very closely, like I'm using the side of my brush, I'm gonna do that on the first part of my eye. Yep. Oh, I like that. Holy crap. Okay, so let's pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, this is the finished look that I just created really quick. I just wanted to get on here. I wanted to play with this. I didn't even take like untouched pictures for the Instagram. I don't even care. This came, I was super excited. It is a very neutral, like, shadow look. This is very different than what I've ever created, whether I can dupe it or not. I'm still very happy that I have it. Whoops. I did use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades. So that is pretty good for the first time using this. I am obsessed with this. It's very pretty. I did a little boo-boo, so it looks a little funky, but it blended beautifully. I mean, oh, I did use my fingers, although they felt very creamy, like their usual shadows that I do have. So they're probably fine using the brush. I didn't get any fallout or crumbles. What I did get was my own finger mistake. Anyways, super happy that I have this. I am so in love with it. I am probably gonna do 5 looks, I think, because this is amazing. I want to do a lot of looks. So first impressions, 2 thumbs up. I'm really happy I did purchase this. I'm gonna go watch other people's looks. If there is a specific look somebody does out on the Instagram or wherever and you want me to try to recreate it, because I am 38 with aging textured eyelids, so let me know. I'll try to do my best. But anyways, multi-looks coming next week. I promise. Anyways, I'm gonna jump off here, go to the teeter, come back and have lunch, edit this, and yeah, hang out with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick video. I'm super excited. Oh, I don't know which is my favorite color that I used. I really don't. I really love this inner corner, but I love this, the gold to the teal to the bronze to the, oh, this inner corner, or the whole thing is my favorite. The whole thing is my favorite. How about that? The whole thing is my favorite. Anyways, I'm getting off here. I promise. I'm gonna go do my thing. Anyways, let me know down in the comments. Are you picking it up and all the other stuff? Favorite fruit, and yeah. Anyways, share with your friends so I can make more friends here on the internet. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any future fun from myself. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.